Hi everyone, welcome to A Godly Home. I have here a homemade pizza dough, and I know you guys have seen me make these before, and I am going to use that along with some leftover turkey meatballs and some mozzarella cheese to make a meatball grinder calzone here. Now, if you don't want to make your own dough, you could buy a pre-made dough, however you want to do this. But it is a great way to use up some of those things like leftover meatballs or any type of leftover meat. Makes a good calzone. Just going to form it to the size of my pan. Okay, I still have 3 left after I've lined up as many as will fit on the dough. So I am just cutting those in half with scissors so I can get another row in there. Just making sure I get every drop of sauce that I've got because there's not a lot of sauce in this container. Okay, now I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on there. I do want to kind of, okay. This is the mozzarella cheese that Nessa included in that grocery pickup order, Nessa from Nessa's Nook. And the spaghetti sauce is the one that Chris from City Girl Homestead sent us. And I used the flour from Nessa on the dough. And the yeast for the dough is some that Becky had sent me a while back that I had in the freezer. Okay, over goes the dough. You guys have seen me make these before, but I think it's nice to show different ways that we can use leftovers, even if it's a repeat thing like a calzone, just done a different way. I just crimped that edge, and you'll notice I didn't put the filling around that edge right there. Now I'm just going to prick this to make sure that it can vent. And in a 350 degree oven until this is done. So while that calzone's cooking, we might as well make a salad. I'm just going to use lettuce and cucumber today. And I do have some of my homemade croutons. These ones are multigrain. Some sesame seeds from the Amish. And I have all those different dressings that Nessa included in that pickup order to choose from for this. You won't believe how much water that got out of that. And you saw me wash and drain it. Look at that. And it's so nasty looking. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse this cucumber off and I'll be right back. This is just a fork. The camera isn't picking it up. There you go. Now you can see the design it puts on them. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness, this was so delicious. Imagine what a meatball grinder would taste like on a homemade sub roll, because that is exactly what this tasted like. We had this for 2 meals and we were sad to see it be gone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this video style of just kind of cooking with me, where you see a little bit of everything I'm doing and not quite as much editing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.